baako nanse na wo kyerɛ sɛ ase akrachefo ene maburu no omo twe mu ho afiri NPP mu akɔ bi foforo oda ma wo na aka sana na pa kyerɛ sɛ wo na aka ya
enokwe na me share stakeholders were omemo ha and their relationship with the new petrol party. Upe new petrol party and a attractive party. Upe new petrol party a school for party. Upe new petrol party a 24 party. So never change. Upo, our relationship with the media was far better. Those times, even the culture of silence. Now your media relationship, is very strong. And until so yes, abeti and relationship, ever from Canada. So means like I said, above from and Osha Afro Barometer reporter from 2016 to 2025 year supported the MPP. I'll send you documents to that effect. And the MPP, reorganization. I will say you to me, I accept the fact that these are areas that influence and support ever from. Now, can one saying I'm being a constituency like I also West Logan, New Patriotic Party, they lose for the first time. And they're possible. The non saying I'm here. Tertiary institutions throughout this country, I doubt they will win in 2024. Abraham Ekai said, come and real national youth of Nigeria. We win in all tertiary institutions, including Hope Polytechnic. This year, Chisan. And I just try on our work. First, why the Yapu to go a branch above our bank. Don't Yaku could go no share NDCP share the Nam Kumasi crew. And I almost said the year that year. And then, you see. So, you see, a major issue. If as a party, we want to not just only come back, but these are natural homes of these stakeholders. Sometimes, even though, and then some of them are not with us. Baby, I have a lot of friends and colleagues business people any never be home. And 2024, one park or twaba, or say one twaba, the Iran twaba. Then now for cacao, you almost influence on Oman Twaba. Now, as we speak down, Oman Twaba, my Oman Twaba, NDC. But your catch them say, who are the country also Susana Jane not Twaba, my NDC, the idea of the home. You know, we are political party. I was a sign near me who does you call Katan. Now to me, who near my old yen and near my old year, the way you and the OEC, and the also yet in the future. I bet to me, I'm attracted one Katao members. The new patriotic party don't need NDC members. They don't need them to win elections. We need our own members to win elections.
Right.
So, yeah. So, discussion now. It's an open discussion. And can I, if you are for point, And I say, and now we name how dangerous it is if we don't re-strategize.
Right.
Look at these stakeholders. First, I name media, and I jump to head and I will now. Now you accuse you say we NDC. What is that? I know.
My bread pa anope bia me NDC ni.
What bread? Because that is how it's coming out. Then your fault. It is possible, say, the kind of relationship I will say a new not only on air. Kanana Jantua, the Vituna behind the scenes, I will say a boy. Jana Jantua or can be na a year, I will say not only a year on air, or say to a friend, yes, but our problem to say. Because those days, me senior editors meeting, we meet you almost periodically. Now, discussing almost issues, almost work about a party, are buying in your money. And yet, be behind the cow. That relationship alone is enough to bring such people can naturally. Now, John to apple there. I hear a swan and ACP.
Aye, Missy.
John to I hear a swan and ACP. But John to Amono, no more NPP in Kuala, and I mean you in Kuala.
Udika.
And I'm going to join a young pioneer. And now I'm more than CPP. In common root and Kata dear. Common root and Kata dear. So, yeah.
That's it.
My man, I'm after discussion, but idea how I now see Kata about a focus response. No, and the Makuma, so I feel say we should put it on the front burner and discuss.
That's it.
Go to the American fan itself with the one June, you got to supermarket. Yeah, don't work Bubusia and that's for market. And no, I've been a world supermarket. No, packaging or my packaging. And we are all at risk.
That's it. Now, they say me here 1-on-1 on T. I was always share me about now bantam near 1-on-1. We ambush.
The rest of it, I think that we need to raise. The big grand American with this friend. It's about that lithium, yeah.
Lithium, yeah.
Cost finding, yeah. Now, your percentage, was 13%. And then this for about complaining is some of the swap 5%. Now, almost reason for say almost swap 5%, lithium prices in the world have fallen. Now, are there follow and rising? Okay, are there follow and rising? Now, lithium, no, they be I say a Toma Abrofana. Can't you establish our own metering and refinery here? Now, not what you don't know, and sometimes that's why. Discussion. Who the only bed discuss for now? Ama asam na yete.
O china yen discuss here no. Yemre ni to china.
Me say try home. I make a unim say Chinese food. We have established quarries. Ewo Gumwa area. Na fine stone nke koto outside the bank. What we produce at half price with better quality. Ghana. no more share off. Now they are making lot of revenue. Now say NPP 4 year crowd almost 13%. Now we talk criticize you, which for me even start 13% with an allowance of about 6% addition to the 19 or 20%. Even for me, there was no need for that. Thank you. Yes, the burden, young Kasa, yet to me, it to say good year, I refine it. Because you refine, I said, Cocoa, who done in a cake in a pay, almost 8 times the price of the raw beef. Do you understand what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Cocoa, would that any cake? Say 1 million, the price they call 8 million straight away. So you can imagine the guy here by selling cocoa in the raw state. Yes, on cocoa.
Right.
I raised these arguments I hear cutting it in before elections there. And sometimes look at a whole cocoa industry, right from fertilizer production, adding value, sales, financing, futures, and all that. So to income, what's our value chain? It's around $200 billion. Yeah, producers of cocoa in the value chain, less than 10%. Between Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire, about 60% producers. More than $15 billion. You put it there, Bob Bistia, Manko for Jimusika. And say, cocoa, no cry, your family. But they do political discussion. The ATR, cocoa price, a world market, as you say, the end of our, and get back to move, get back, Mamma say, or Banton to me. That is all the discussions we have. And then the cocoa industry. That's all the discussions. People have risen to fame because they were able to discuss very well. Say, way more 200, maybe more 600. And no. Every couple out down, almost opposition. So I'm discussing Papa be our year. Cocoa industry. Abra, just financing of cocoa alone, between my more than $50 billion. Uko Belgium, their mainstay is adding value to cocoa. Belgium is their cocoa. They get not less than $80 billion from cocoa derivatives in the value chain. Every cocoa is friend. The champion, why you buy me to cocoa? Me cocoa, dear cocoa, your book cocoa, the corn beef to wood bar now, the bobby and one, and one. This is the discussion we have in this country. This is the kind of discussion.
Senior, that's it. When you said that discussion in Asifuni, a bebemna, the main make an tough and say that Bena Beba 101, go force me Musa 101, Umafil. The bit of promises and say, Beba Kumasia, there to be
but you better one.
Mate, that's it. Nhyira senior. And
it cannot continue business as usual.
We wish you well. So, general chairman, national chairman slot. No, so we wish you well. Minim say oba ebedi hu nkomo, but minim say baby a wo bia no. Empire bon so teach. Nhyira.
So, that the member NPP for them who say, my potential and my gain, and the may use for the new petrol party and do 10%. But the money me and say, may organize a party, do strategize for party. You don't know my business aspect. No, none of you.
Right.
So,
right. Mate. Medasi. Rajon Boadu, a former General Secretary NPP, and Otsene Nkano.